Hashicorp Terraform Part 8. The slideshow number is Terraform 9 here. Yeah, things are misaligned here between this and this, but these two things go together. This video number goes with this slideshow here. So first of all, I forgot where we were, so I'm gonna Google Hashicorp Terraform to try to figure out where to go next. Oh, hey, that looks like the right site. So we're gonna go to www.terraform.io, and we're gonna look around for tutorials. Right, I'm going to click tutorials, and I see the getting started, right? So this little URL right here, you can grab that to go to the getting started. And when I did that, we had the next step, right? After we have the CLI working, the next step that makes the most sense is log into the Terraform cloud from the CLI. So I'm going to click that, and we have some prerequisites. We already did these prerequisites. Let's look at the login flow right here. So this thing right here is what we're going to do. Okay, so let's scroll down here. So, yep, we were here. Okay, prerequisites, yep. Login flow. Okay, cool. So we are going to right-click Git Bash here to do the login stuff. So we're going to right-click Git Bash here, and we're going to type Terraform login into our Git Bash. Now, we are inside of the folder where our project currently is, right? Our cloud project, our server project, we're in the root folder of that repo right now. So Terraform login, and we're going to enter yes. So when it says, do you want to proceed? Only yes will be accepted. So yes, all lowercase. I'm going to type yes, and then it's going to ask me to open this with a browser. I'm going to choose Firefox. That's my preferred browser because of this nice big-ass address bar for tutorials. And I'm going to hit that OK button. And then it's going to tell me to enter a value here. So it redirects me here, and I need to log in and sign in, all that good stuff. And then I need to create API token. Hit this button. It's going to give you a... just hit the fucking button already. Hit the button, right? Copy this to the clipboard. Once you've copied it to the clipboard, you want to paste it in here. So you want to right-click paste into the Git Bash, paste it there, hit Enter key, and then you're done. You're logged in. So if you end up with this error here, then you need to manually paste this URL, and then you can log in. But yeah, anyways, so like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder.